The daily stand-up meeting is a cornerstone of the Scrum framework. This short, focused gathering brings the development team together every day. It is a time for quick alignment and a chance to set the course for the day's work. When used effectively, daily stand-ups enhance communication, boost transparency, and help identify and resolve impediments swiftly. Daily stand-ups are not about micromanagement, but rather about fostering a collaborative environment. They provide a platform for team members to share updates, discuss challenges, and offer support to one another. By making it a habit to come together daily, Scrum teams can maintain momentum, adapt to changes quickly, and ensure everyone is moving in the right direction. It's crucial to understand that a daily stand-up is not a status meeting. It's not about reporting to a manager or simply listing completed tasks. Instead, it's a dedicated time for the development team to synchronize and collaborate. The focus should always be on the team's shared goal, delivering value in the sprint. Each team member contributes by sharing what they accomplished since the last stand-up, what they plan to achieve before the next one, and any obstacles hindering their progress. This approach moves away from individual task completion and towards a collective understanding of the sprint goal. It allows the team to identify dependencies, anticipate potential bottlenecks, and proactively find solutions together. In a daily stand-up, each role within the Scrum team has specific responsibilities. These meetings are short, focused, and designed to keep the team aligned and on track. The Scrum Master acts as a facilitator, ensuring the meeting starts and ends on time and adheres to the time box. They guide the team through the agenda, making sure everyone has a chance to speak. They also play a crucial role in removing impediments that team members raise. This can involve addressing technical issues, resolving conflicts, or coordinating with other teams. The development team, comprising individuals responsible for delivering the product increment, takes center stage. They are the ones who do the actual work of building the product. They actively participate by sharing their progress, plans, and any roadblocks they've encountered. This transparency helps the team stay informed and make necessary adjustments. This shared understanding fosters collaboration and helps the team work as a cohesive unit. It ensures that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. While the product owner's presence in the daily stand-up is optional, they can offer valuable insights and clarifications. Their input can help the team understand the bigger picture and prioritize their work effectively. They're available to answer questions regarding the product backlog, clarify acceptance criteria, and ensure the team's work aligns with the overall product vision. This alignment is crucial for delivering a product that meets customer needs and expectations. For daily stand-ups to be truly effective, preparation is essential. Before the meeting, each team member should update their tasks on the Scrum board and refine their remaining hours for each task. This simple act ensures everyone has access to the latest information. Updating task statuses provides a clear picture of the sprint's progress. By refining remaining hours, the team can accurately gauge the work ahead and identify potential risks to meeting the sprint goal. This proactive approach allows for adjustments and prevents surprises later in the sprint. By coming prepared, the team can use the stand-up time efficiently, focusing on collaboration and problem-solving rather than simply relaying information that could have been shared beforehand. Section 5. Fostering teamwork, collaboration, and tackling roadblocks. Collaboration lies at the heart of daily stand-ups. These brief, focused meetings are designed to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that the team is moving forward together. They provide a platform for team members to openly discuss challenges, brainstorm solutions, and offer support to one another. This open communication is crucial for identifying potential roadblocks early and addressing them before they become significant issues. When a team member raises a blocker, it becomes the team's collective responsibility to find a way forward. This shared responsibility fosters a sense of unity and collaboration, making everyone feel invested in the success of the project. This collaborative problem-solving is one of the most significant benefits of daily stand-ups. It encourages team members to think creatively and work together to overcome obstacles. It ensures that no one feels alone in their struggles and encourages a culture of shared ownership and support within the team. This sense of camaraderie can significantly boost morale and productivity. For example, if a developer is struggling with a complex coding issue, they can use the stand-up to seek assistance from a teammate with relevant expertise. This immediate access to help can save time and reduce frustration. They can also share their progress and get feedback, which can lead to better solutions and more efficient workflows. Similarly, if a task is blocked due to a dependency on another team, the stand-up provides an opportunity to raise the issue and find a solution collaboratively. This ensures that dependencies are managed effectively and that the project stays on track. By fostering an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing their challenges and successes, daily stand-ups can transform the way a team works together, leading to more successful and harmonious project outcomes. Section 6. Time boxing, keeping it short and starting the day right. Time boxing is crucial for effective daily stand-ups. By allocating a fixed amount of time, we ensure that the meeting remains efficient and to the point. Ideally, the meeting should be limited to 15 minutes, regardless of the team's size. This brevity forces everyone to focus on the most important updates and avoid unnecessary details. This time constraint ensures the meeting remains focused and energetic. It keeps the momentum going and prevents the team from feeling bogged down by lengthy discussions. Holding the stand-up at the start of the day, preferably in the morning, helps set the tone for a productive workday. Morning meetings capitalize on the team's fresh energy and enthusiasm. It allows the team to synchronize their efforts early on, address any urgent issues, and head into their individual tasks with a clear understanding of their priorities and the support available to them. This early alignment is key to maintaining a smooth workflow throughout the day. To keep the meeting concise, it's important to discourage side conversations and tangents. Staying on topic ensures that everyone gets the information they need without wasting time. If a topic requires further discussion, it can be addressed in a separate, dedicated meeting after the stand-up. This approach keeps the stand-up short and allows for deeper dives into complex issues when necessary. Section 7. Transparency and synchronization, the benefits of open communication. Daily stand-up meetings foster a culture of transparency within the Scrum team. By openly sharing progress, challenges, and plans, team members gain a clear and shared understanding of the current state of the sprint. This transparency extends beyond the team itself. The Scrum board, often used as a visual aid during stand-ups, provides a readily accessible overview of the sprint's progress for anyone interested, including stakeholders and management. Synchronization is another key benefit. By aligning daily, the team can quickly adapt to changes, address dependencies, and ensure everyone is working towards the same goal. This shared understanding and alignment are essential for agility and responsiveness to change. Section 8. Outcomes and advantages, reaping the rewards of effective stand-ups. When executed effectively, daily stand-up meetings offer numerous benefits. They enhance communication and collaboration within the development team, leading to increased productivity and improved product quality. Timely identification and resolution of impediments prevent small issues from escalating into significant roadblocks, ensuring the sprint progresses smoothly. Moreover, the transparency fostered by daily stand-ups promotes trust and accountability within the team. By starting each day with a clear understanding of the sprint goal, individual tasks, and potential challenges, Scrum teams can work more efficiently and effectively, delivering higher value increments and achieving greater success in their agile journey. Section 9. Conclusion, elevating agile practices through daily stand-ups. In conclusion, daily stand-up meetings are more than just a routine check-in. They are a powerful tool for enhancing communication, collaboration, and transparency within Scrum teams. By embracing the principles of time boxing, preparation, and a focus on collaboration, teams can unlock the full potential of daily stand-ups and elevate their agile practices. Remember, it's not about simply going through the motions, but rather about fostering a culture of shared ownership, continuous improvement, and relentless focus on delivering value. When used effectively, daily stand-up meetings become a cornerstone of a thriving and successful agile team.